Who's Vonage's biggest competitor? A deep dive. Introduction. Hook. Ever wondered who's giving Vonage a run for its money in the world of cloud communications? Let's dive into the competitive landscape and find out. Vonage's overview. Briefly explain what Vonage does, its core products, and why it's a significant player in the industry. Competitive landscape. Introduce the concept of competition in the cloud communications market, highlighting the factors that influence competition, e.g., technology, pricing, customer service. Potential competitors. Twilio. Discuss Twilio's market position, strengths, and weaknesses. Compare and contrast Twilio's offerings with Vonage's, focusing on key areas like APIs, pricing, and features. RingCentral. Analyze RingCentral's unique selling points, particularly its focus on unified communications. Explore how RingCentral competes with Vonage in terms of target market, product portfolio, and pricing. 8x8. Highlight 8x8 strengths in enterprise-grade solutions and cloud contact centers. Compare 8x8's approach to cloud communications with Vonage's, emphasizing any significant differences. Nextiva. Discuss Nextiva's focus on small and medium-sized businesses. Compare Nextiva's pricing, features, and customer support with Vonage's. Other notable competitors. Briefly mention other potential competitors such as Genesys, Jivachat, and Zoom, and their areas of specialization. Direct comparison. Feature-by-feature analysis. Conduct a detailed comparison of Vonage's key features against those of its top competitors. Pricing comparison. Analyze pricing models, including usage-based, subscription-based, and bundled packages. Customer reviews and ratings. Discuss customer feedback and ratings from platforms like G2 Crowd, TrustRadius, and Capterra. Niche competitors. Vertical-specific competitors. Explore competitors that specialize in specific industries, e.g., healthcare, finance, retail. Regional competitors. Discuss regional players that may have a strong presence in particular geographic markets. Summarize the main findings from the analysis, highlighting the strengths and weaknesses of each competitor. Offer your perspective on Vonage's competitive position and potential future challenges. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts, ask questions, or suggest other competitors. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.